Hi, I'm T3 Stylist Ambassador Denise Madrigal, and I'm so excited to introduce you to the T3 Switch Kit Wave Trio, the multitasking styling kit that makes it easier than ever to switch up your look. Featuring 3 interchangeable barrels, the T3 Switch Kit Wave Trio takes your waves from textured and beachy to soft and effortless to smooth and voluminous, so you can change your look as often as you can change your outfit, your plans, or even your mood. The 1-inch wand barrel is my go-to for textured beachy waves. I love the 1 1/4 inch clip barrel for soft, full-bodied waves that look totally effortless. And the 1 1/2 inch clip barrel is perfect for smooth, voluminous waves with lots of body and bounce. The T3 Switch Kit base features an interchangeable twist and switch design that makes switching barrels a breeze. Just attach your barrel, turn the tight twist lock, and start styling. Not only is the T3 Switch Kit incredibly versatile, it comes equipped with T3 Rapid Heat IQ technology for fast styling and beautiful long-lasting results. And with 9 heat settings, there's one that's just right for every hair type and texture. A powerful ion generator infuses millions of negative ions to smooth frizz and lock in shine. And each barrel is designed with a Ceragloss ceramic surface that glides effortlessly through hair, no matter how you style. With so many styling options and super simple interchangeable design, the T3 Switch Kit Wave Trio is a total game changer. I can't wait to see how you switch it up.